Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix there has been an error during install apps from Microsoft Store in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Microsoft Store install service, change startup type to automatic, click apply, click OK, restart service. Second method is type WSreset in Windows search bar, click WSreset. Third method is type store in Windows search bar, right click, click app settings. Click repair and reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.